Hello, everyone. Whether you're a current student, future student, faculty member, alum, or community member, thank you for joining us. Today, we're excited to share an update on the initiatives shaping our college right now and give you a look ahead at the major renovations coming soon.
Over the past few years, we've taken major steps to create a more innovative and inclusive learning environment. Our Reimagine efforts on campus have resulted in new campus exterior signage, welding and CNC machining labs, a nursing simulation hospital, a mobile medical unit, renovations to fine arts, expansion of the agricultural research farm, and upgrades to student spaces. Student success remains at the heart of our mission. We expanded tutoring and advising access, launched peer mentorship programs, and introduced new mental health support initiatives. We've worked closely with the HCC Foundation to cultivate relationships and secure donations for the college on many of these updates and renovations, which also includes the purchase of a new Estonia grand piano for fine arts. In total, the college has invested $18.1 million on improvements to the campus. Additionally, Highland was recognized by the financial company Smart Asset, who compared 616 two-year schools and ranked Highland 59th nationally and number 1 for the best community college in Illinois. The Aspen Institute also named Highland as one of the top 200 community colleges in the nation, and the college has been invited to apply for the Aspen Award.
Highland continues to be a major economic driver in Northwest Illinois. Through our direct and indirect contributions, the college supports local businesses, strengthens the workforce, and enhances overall economic vitality across the region. Highland's total impact can be expressed in terms of jobs supported. According to a recent Lightcast study, the $89.9 million impact of Highland supported 1,351 regional jobs. This means that 1 out of every 49 jobs in our district is supported by activities of the college and its students. Beyond dollars spent, the college fuels the regional workforce by preparing graduates with the skills local employers need. Through partnerships with local employers, internships, and continuing education programs, we contribute directly to the strength and adaptability of the regional labor force. Since 2022, Highland has seen a 100% enrollment increase in welding and a 50% increase in CNC programs. Both are at capacity. Finally, our social and cultural contributions, from community events to public lectures and arts performances, further amplify our economic impact by drawing community engagement and enriching the quality of life in the region. Collectively, these factors position Highland not just as an educational institution, but as a foundational economic engine for the Northwest Illinois communities. From 2025 to 2030, all colleges will face a looming enrollment cliff as the number of 18-year-olds is projected to decline by 12%. The college-going rate is experiencing a steeper decline, with 32% of 18 to 24-year-olds with a high school diploma choosing to not enroll in college. Although college enrollment nationwide has generally declined, Highland has seen steady increases 7 of the last 8 semesters. We've also created or expanded at least 12 programs or certificates, but we're not stopping there. Looking ahead, we're preparing for some exciting transformations that will shape the next chapter of our college.
Last fall, the Highland Community College Board of Trustees approved planning for the expansion of the HCC Sports Center. The Sports Center, which was first occupied in early 1980 by Highland and the YMCA, was constructed to meet the space needs of both entities at that time, as the YMCA's original 50-year tenancy agreement with Highland nears its end. Through a joint task force formed by the college and the YMCA, It was determined that the current location could not accommodate the amount of space required by both parties, leading to the YMCA's decision to relocate. In 1980, the YMCA did not offer childcare, and Highland only had 4 athletic teams. Now the YMCA provides childcare services to over 100 children, with hundreds of slots still needed in Northwest Illinois. Highland has grown to 11 competitive, nationally recognized men's and women's sports teams, with a vision for future expansion of both athletics and academic programs.
The facility expansion is set to significantly enhance the college's academic programs, support increased enrollment, and foster long-term sustainability efforts. It will provide students with additional opportunities to excel in both academics and athletics. By improving its infrastructure, Highland will not only attract new students, but it will also give all students a campus environment that supports their success both inside and outside the classroom. Highland remains dedicated to its mission of providing a well-rounded, accessible education for all students. The facility expansion is the final piece of a broader strategy to enhance academic offerings, improve campus facilities, and ensure the long-term success of the college. In addition to providing a high-quality training space for athletes and students, the updated facility will help the college address challenges of the nationwide decline in traditional college-age students. Expanding and diversifying the college's campus offerings will be key to attracting prospective students. This project is not just about expanding athletics. It's about expanding opportunity.
More than a building renovation, this is a launch pad. This is a hub where education meets community, where partnerships create opportunity, and where talent moves seamlessly into high-demand careers across healthcare, recreation, and performance science. By investing in this facility, we're strengthening the local talent pipeline and creating a space where students, industry partners, and community members intersect. This is about jobs, skills, and long-term regional competitiveness.
Over the years, I've shaken thousands of hands at commencement, welcomed new students to their first day, and watched dreams take flight. Those moments have meant everything to me. As I prepare to retire, I carry with me immense pride in what we've built together and deep affection for this community. Now, as I pass the torch, I am more optimistic than ever. The next chapter will be written by extraordinary minds and generous hearts, just like the ones I've been privileged to work alongside. The growth ahead of us isn't just about renovated buildings or new programs. It's about opportunity. It's about creating pathways for students who never imagined college was within reach. It's about strengthening the communities that have supported us for generations. Thank you for your friendship, your dedication, and your belief in the power of education. I may be stepping away from this office, but I will always remain one of Highland's most devoted supporters. As I bid farewell, I am grateful that we were able to walk this road together. Thank you for the privilege of serving you.